Hi guys, today I will explain how to send a Ethereum in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your Trust Wallet application. Once it will be open. This one is the homepage of my Trust Wallet application. If I scroll below, you will see my crypto list. And on the second number, you can see Ethereum. Now what if you did not find it here? Then scroll down to the last and tap on the option Manage Crypto. And in the search bar, you have to search for Ethereum by tapping ETF. Once you will enter here, you can see Ethereum. And also, be careful, you have to enable Ethia, not this one. And this one is the USDT Ethereum, and this one is the exact crypto. If you enable the wrong one, then you will not send any tokens from this Ethereum. So enable this one. And once you will enable, go back from here and scroll up and tap on the option Ethereum. Like we want to swap, so that's why I will click on it. And here are two options of swapping. This one is swap, and this one is cross-chain transfer. So I will click on the first one. This one is Ethereum, because we want to change Ethereum. So that's why I need to enter the amount of Ethereum, which I want to exchange. Below you will see the crypto, which I want to get in return of Ethereum. So enter the amount of Ethereum, and here select the crypto which you want to receive. So click on it. And here, you have to choose, just for showing you. I will choose this one because I don't have any amount. Here you are seeing insufficient balance, but if you have, then you can click on it. And your order will be in queue, and within few minutes, you will swap Ethereum in Trust Wallet.